Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix no device is detected on USB port in my client. So before that, please do subscribe our channel and also hit the like button of this video. So let's start the video. Let me show you the problem. If I go to the mic application and here if I try to connect with USB cable, as you can see here showing a problem, no device detected on USB ports. Don't worry, now I'm going to show you how to fix these types of problem. First thing you have to do that make sure your USB cable is properly connected to your computer. If it is not connected properly, then again connect it. Okay. And second thing that you have to do, enable USB debugging mode from your Android developer option. So let's jump in the phone screen. First of all, go to your Android phone settings and find out here about phone. Then click on it. After that, scroll down and find out here build number. Now tap on build number for 5 times. Then you need to type here your phone security pin. I'm gonna type it. Then your developer option will be turned on. Now go to your settings search bar and type here developer. As you can see, here is the developer option. So open it and scroll down and find out here USB debugging option. Enable it. Then click on OK. Now go to the computer screen and then go to connection. Select USB. Then click on connect. Now from your phone screen you will get a message. Just allow it. And then as you can see, our mic is connected. So friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more these types of important videos. Thanks for watching this video.